Meaning of Heritage Center.
Heritage Center.
Heritage Center.
Heritage Center.
Heritage Center. A heritage center is a place that aims to preserve and promote the history, culture, and traditions of a particular region, community, or group. It typically houses exhibits, displays, and artifacts related to the area's rich cultural heritage, as well as educational programs, events, and tours. Visitors can learn about the customs, beliefs, and lifestyle of past generations and gain a deeper appreciation for their roots and identity. By providing a platform for reflection and celebration, a heritage center helps to foster a sense of pride and connection among locals and visitors alike.